Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm gonna teach you 5 most difficult Arabic letters when it comes to pronunciation. Are you ready? Because you might throw up during this video because it's a very hard exercise for you to read these letters. Number 1, kha, kha. So I will make sure that I pronounce the letter very slow to make you listen very carefully and to help you to pronounce it well. Kha, kha. So guys, kha comes exactly from the top of your throat. Kha. Let me give you some examples. Khalid, Khalid, Khalil, Khalil, Khadija, Khadija. So I make sure that I stress on the letter, but when it comes to real life, we don't say that. We say Khalid, Khadija, but I am stressing on the letter to help you to pronounce it very well. Let's go to number 2, Ain, the monster of all Arabic letters. Ain, because all of Arabic learners are struggling with this letter. So basically Ain comes from the middle of your throat right here, and it's Ain, Ain. So I got one video talking about this letter, so go back and search about this video because it will be helpful for you. So Ain, Ain. Let me give you some examples. Umar, Ali, Aliya. Umar, Ali, Aliya. Alright. Number 3, Ha. Can you listen very well? Ha. Ha. So ha is a strong H in Arabic and it doesn't exist in English. And I'm challenging you, I challenge all of you guys, if this sound exists in your language. If it's so, just leave a comment below and tell me, in my language I do have this sound, ha, because I taught many students from all over the world and this sound is impossible to find in their languages. So ha. So again, ha comes from the middle of your throat. Ha, like Humar means a donkey. Hamid, Hamid, Hamid. Let's go to number 4, which is ha. So ha, it's not that hard for some of you because in English we already have this sound ha, like house, horse, and so on in Arabic. But this sound, believe me guys, is hard for some Arabic learners because I don't know why, because this sound maybe it doesn't exist in their languages. Maybe they are confused with ha and ha, but I just put this letter in this list because it's hard for many Arabic learners. So ha, like Huda, Hadi. So you need to know the differences between ha, which is the strong H, and ha, which is the soft H. Ha and ha. Alright, let's go to the last one. Ghain, Ghain. So for all French speakers, this letter is very easy, but for the rest of Arabic learners, it's a piece of fire, not a piece of cake, believe me. So it's Ghain, like Ghali, Ghali, Ghali. Alright, so these are 5 most difficult Arabic letters, and if you think there is another difficult Arabic letter, please tell me in the comment below, because this information will be very helpful for me. And Assalamu alaikum.